The atmosphere is vibrant and festive. The ceremony was officiated by a high-ranking official dressed in traditional attire. The bride looked stunning. Family and friends gathered to share memories, laugh, and enjoy the delicious food prepared for the occasion. The decor was simple yet elegant, with flowers. The banquet hall was filled with joyous laughter and the smell of delectable cuisine. Everyone was in high spirits, celebrating this special day. The wedding party was a sight to behold. The wedding party was a huge success, filled with joy and celebration. Thanks for coming along.